Are you sweating? Is it hard? Are you sweating?
I think the bake
So how do you feel doing this?
kind of relaxing.
Relaxing?
You know, you probably watched this show. It's really good. It's called It's Cake. See, like there's 9 competitors who compete to make everyday objects look like cakes.
Look, you put all the paper in it. You are supposed to put single, only one, and keep the rest for another day.
It was so
Cake, mommy, cake.
I'm kind of happy to learn this because then we don't need to bother you. We can just make cake whenever we want.
Okay, cake turn out to be like that. We don't need to sweet too.
So, hey guys, we're gonna do a cake video. We're gonna see how it turns out because this is gonna be our first time. So why don't you like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications. Peace.
Your time starts now. Pour the flour in the bowl. Make a hollow in your flour. Then break 1 egg inside the cup. Inside the cup of water. Are you done? Measure 1 tablespoon. Okay. 2 of it. You measure 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Then mix your flour with your liquid. If it doesn't come out well, you don't have anybody to blame. Do it well, make sure everything is well mixed. Okay, guys, stop. Clear your table. Clear all those things you don't need. If you cannot turn that. Why is your own creamy like this? Why is it so creamy? So that when you are eating the cake, it will be sweet in your mouth. You guys need to know how to do it, okay? Is this a challenge or what? Are you sweating? Is it hard? Are you sweating?
I think the batter is too thick and it's making like this noise and it's making it hard for me to just mix it up.
So why do you think I choose to switch?
Can we switch back? It's so hard.
Continue mixing with that. See, that will be easy. So how do you feel doing this now?
Feels kind of relaxing.
Relaxing?
You know, you probably watched this show. It's really good. It's called It's Cake. You see, like there's 9 competitors who compete to make everyday objects look like cakes.
I don't get that.
So, for example, a chessboard. Do you know what chess is?
Chess.
Is it a game?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they make cake look like our everyday objects, like shoe, cake, anything.
Okay. Okay, I got you. I think it's done now. Let's get the pan ready. Do we even have paper for the cupcake? Let's get the pan.
But do I own mine too?
No, put your paper, cup paper in your cup. Oil the pan and pour the batter in the pan. Look, you put all the paper in it. You are supposed to put single, only one, and keep the rest for another
I didn't know
day.
there was so much.
Yes, no.
Okay.
Put the rest together and return them.
Wait. Don't forget this. And this.
Oh my god.
You see?
And this.
You just carry full one and put.
Wait. How I know is when, because look, you can see this.
Oh no. Put it and shake it down. And here I'm just going to do example of how you should feel it. Don't let it to be too full. See? See my example.
Also, you should be careful and gentle.
Yes. I really want you guys to know the work involved in cooking. And you'll be shouting, cake, 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 mommy, cake. Since which day? Is it Friday or Saturday?
I think it was like Saturday. Yay. I'm kind of happy to learn this because then we don't need to bother you. We can just make cake whenever we want.
Okay.
Okay.
33. Just put 35 minutes.
Okay.
Come on, do this one like this. Oh no. Do others the same.
Did this.
Shake it. You do this one. Okay, it's ready to be baked. Right?
Yeah, I think
So you set it. Bake. Put it on bake.
250.
350.
Very height.
Okay, this is 350. Just preheating it for some time. See? You guys are baker now. How excited are you, Ehi?
good, but actually I need to work on it because I think I need to do better because I had a little help from you.
Okay. How about you? How do you feel?
Not good.
Why?
But not bad.
Why?
I needed some help with some. I needed some help and some instruction with some of the to do some of the ingredients and stuff.
What help?
I think like it. I think it's like.
I'm talking about help with the ingredients and the steps.
These steps. Next time, now I've told you the step by step. Next time, I'm not even going to talk. I'm just going to sit in the couch and watch you guys do it. Okay? Do you hear me?
Okay.
I'm going to sit in the couch and watch you guys do it. So today is just tutorial, teaching you what to put and what to put first. But next time, I'm just going to sit like, oh my God, my children in the kitchen. Let me just chill. Okay? Okay. Snap you on your cake. You're taking the box. The way it was, that is how it should be.
Oh.
What it turned out to be like, but we don't let it sweet. Drop it, let's see if it's sweet.
Check out the flavors. That is big.
Let's see it. Let me see. To bite. Wow. Let me see them. Yummy. Look at them. They make the best cake.